In this video, we will look at asking Python for help. We can ask Python for help with regards to any object that has documentation. Let's take a look. I've opened PyScripter and I'm in the Python interpreter window. We have seen the use of the print function and we saw the syntax. But if we didn't know anything about that print function, we could ask Python for help by simply typing in help and the name of the function that we wish to get help for and hitting enter. And we can see we have been given the syntax and also a description of the function that it prints the values to a stream, and we have information on the optional keyword parameters. I'll clear this and we'll go with help, and we're going to look for help on the built-in type function that we've seen a couple of times in this course already. Okay, this has returned much more information than the print function, but we can see that it returns the object's type. I'll clear once more. We'll type in help, and this time we'll look for if. We saw if in the indentation video. It forms part of conditional statements. We see we get a syntax error. Now there is another option for getting help. If we type in help and simply put in empty parentheses and hit enter, we get a Python window for input that pops up. Now if I type in if and hit OK, I'll hit cancel on the window, and we can see the if statement is used for conditional execution, and you can read the documentation there on the if statement. In this quick video, we saw how we could use Python to ask for some help with regards to objects within Python, such as functions or reserved keywords. Please take time to have a look at the help function for yourself and get comfortable with asking for help.